Hey everyone, so this is not a choose your own adventure, but this is lesson 6, level 6, where you get a chance to try out creating like that pixel array. So here is the stuff that we need to do in this. So first things first, in the image plus class, we need to write the get pixels from image method and return a 2D array of pixel objects from the image. And then the number of rows is equivalent to the height, number of columns equivalent to the width, and we'll use the get pixel method in the image class to get pixel object at the current location. So let's see if we can make this happen. So let's see. We are going to create a 2D pixel array to put this stuff in. And I'll call this my pixel. And this is a new pixel object array. And I want the number of rows to be the height of the image. So get height. And then the number of columns is get width. All right. And then we're going to traverse. We are going to traverse the image, if you will, but we're going to go, we're actually, here's how we'll do it. For int row equals 0, row is less than the, I believe it is pixels. Pixels dot length. Actually, it should be my pixel. I need to use this here. And then I will, and I need to increment the rows by 1 every time. And then I'll do the same thing for the column. For int column equals 0, column is less than my pixel at that first row or the one that indexed 0. And I want to increment the column. And then I want this my pixel at the row and at the column to be equal to the get pixel at the particular column and at the particular row. That's how the pixels are read. The column is the X across the top, which is actually the column, if you will. So, and then I want to return my pixel. So this is either going to work or it's not going to work, but it feels pretty good about this. And now we need to go to the theater runner, and we need to instantiate an image plus object. So I will go image plus. My image is a new image plus object, and I think if I look at the constructor, it takes the file name of an object or an image. And so I'm going to go to the asset manager, and I'm going to pick one of these puppies to use. And I think I'm going to use nature. No. Paintbrush. No. Star Wars. So I'm just going to copy that, close that out, and then in quotes, And I want to make sure there's no spaces because the spaces, it's got to be exactly, the quotient to be exactly around the word and nothing else. And then we need to draw the image. This is not a scene we're doing an image. And so I'm going to go image dot draw image. And I want to use Star Wars. Well, actually, I want to use my image. That should be images. Excuse me. No, wait a minute. Hold on. That is not Star Wars. That is going to be my image. We'll put it at 0, 0 and get width will be the width of the image. So it's either going to work or not going to work. Let's see what happens. I'm not curious about, I forget about the my image. Hmm. So I know the get pixel method. That's okay. Get width 0, 0 my image. Oh yeah, that's what it is. I need to use images here. Dot get width. Now let's give it a run and see what happens. There you go. And that's all we had to do in this. There was another thing that if you'll scroll down, level 7, but we'll do that later. I believe we do that in one of these choose your own adventures. So anyway, that is it for now.